what we did today was maybe just a small activity, because I think it's a full day program and maybe we can extend it to 2 days. But because of the availability of the people, we could only have a 2-hour session, which was very, very informative, because at least we could understand what type of medical emergencies can happen and how we have to handle it when we are alone or when we are with our colleagues or our friends or with family. I think it's a very important thing, because today's lifestyle, you have a lot of stress, you have a lot of problems, you have a lot of accidents which happen, and you find these type of casualties happening at any point of time when we are present there. So I think it is important that we are trained and we are aware how to handle those emergencies at that particular moment of time. So I think this is a very important program, and I think we have already done it in all our 15 circles. We have a crisis response team which is available, which has been trained for full 1 day. And we hope that although there should not be any emergencies like this, but in case if there is an emergency, we are equipped to handle it.
Slowly what happens is, once we do these sessions, people realize that it is not to do with work, it is a life skill. It's like learning how to drive and learning how to swim. Our experience is then many organizations want us to train their entire population, and we go across the country training them in their different divisions, in different parts of the country, both in the corporate offices and in manufacturing setups.
Imagine a scenario when your own colleague, your own family members is in trouble. That situation, you need to be very calm and cool and know the facts how to handle it. So that's how we created pool of core team members. So in corporate we have around 20 people. In each circle we have around 7 people to start with. Tomorrow we may increase the team, but at least to start with, so that we as a responsible organization extend this help to our employees, that in case of emergency we can save the person with, say, CPR or utilizing AED, starting from minor fracture, your cuts, all those things. So this is not a simple first aid, this is an advanced first aid, and we call it as first responder to handle the emergency.
This must be a program, a mandatory program for all the employees in Vyom, and there should be, everybody should know the basics. Okay, that these are the medical emergencies, and I'm no more confused state. I'm no more in the confused state to handle such circumstances. So if there is if a colleague of mine sitting next to me, he has a stroke or a heart attack, so I must be very clear, that how do I have to respond to that problem? How do I have to respond to the medical emergency?